In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and customize a slider in Webflow. This is a fantastic way to add a sleek, interactive element to your website, engaging your visitors with dynamic content. Let's get started by opening Webflow. Once you've logged into your Webflow account and opened your project, you'll want to navigate to the Add Elements panel. This is your toolbox for building all sorts of features on your site. Next, scroll through the list to find the slider option. The slider is a powerful component that allows you to display a sequence of images or content by sliding from one to another. Click on Slider to add it to your canvas. Now, let's make it even more personalized and engaging. To do that, look for the Add Slide button within your slider settings. Clicking this lets you introduce additional slides into your slider component, giving you more space to showcase your content or visuals. Once your slides are in place, it's time to fine-tune the settings, tailoring the slider to match your exact design preferences. On the right-hand side of your workspace, you'll find the Settings option. By clicking on it, you'll open up a world of customization features. One of the key settings here is animations. Webflow offers two smooth transition effects, slide and crossfade. Choosing between them depends on the feel and look you're aiming for with your design. Remember that these animations can significantly enhance the user experience by making the transition between slides seamless and visually appealing. Do you want your slides to transition automatically without user interaction? You can achieve this by checking the Autoplay Slides option. This feature ensures your slider continuously scrolls through the slides, perfect for drawing attention to important images or content without requiring user input. Feel free to dive into the customization pool and adjust every setting according to your specific needs. From timing settings to easing styles, making these small tweaks can make a big difference in how your slider feels and operates on the page. Once you're satisfied with your slider's appearance and functionality, it's time to make it live on your site. Simply click Publish, then select Publish to selected domains. This will make your fully customized slider viewable on your website. With these simple steps, you've successfully added and customized a slider in Webflow, a tool that beautifully showcases multiple pieces of content within a compact space. Experimenting with different settings will help you discover the capacities of Webflow's design tools. Thank you for joining me today. Have fun designing and see you in the next video.